guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing another doll for you guys, and this is the package, and it is huge. Like, it's big, huge, really big. I kind of don't understand why it's in such a big box, because I know what I bought is not this big, or maybe it is, I don't know, but but I can't wait to show you who it is, so let's get started. So because this box is pretty huge, I will be using hair scissors because I don't know where my regular scissors are, so I'm just gonna open and get my doll out. Alright. Ooh. Almost there. Not even. I didn't even do much damage. International sellers always pack so well. And I do appreciate that though. But okay, I got the box open. Finally. Okay, so after struggling, I finally got the box open, so let me get through all these newspapers. Oh my god. He is huge! My gosh! I did not expect this. Wow. So when I originally bought this doll, I didn't think it was gonna be this big. I thought it was gonna be a normal sized doll. Oh my god. What did I do? What did I buy? Well, I'm gonna take him out, so, yeah. I want to take it out nicely. Usually I rip into the bag, but oh my god. Look at that size. This is Big Bang's G-Dragon, inspired by Loser. Oh my god, it's huge. Okay, so when I originally bought this doll, I thought it was gonna be like a normal sized doll. Obviously it's not, and this is the biggest doll I've ever bought. Yeah. So this is G-Dragon from the front, from the side, the back, side, and then front again. He's got the Truth Plus Dare tattoo on his chest. He's got some daisies in his eyes, and he has black hair. And again, this doll is inspired by Loser. I love that song. I love Big Bang. I love G-Dragon. But I did not expect this doll to be this huge. This gotta be like 40 centimeters maybe? The biggest doll I've ever purchased. So if you guys didn't know, or if you guys have been following my channel for a while, then you would know that I am a Big Bang fan. I love G-Dragon. Ultimate bias of all time, I have to say. And yeah, I had to get this doll when I first saw it because it has black hair, and I needed a black hair G-Dragon doll. But when I got this, I just thought, like I said previously, that it was just a normal 20 centimeter doll, and obviously I was wrong. So I don't know the maker of this doll, and I don't know the name of this doll either, the official name, but yeah. I really have no words right now, except I love him. I do. But wow, this is huge. Where am I gonna put my doll? This is the biggest doll that I have in my collection right now, and I'm shocked. So this is everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!